Hey everyone, it's Crazy Cooter Scooter coming at you. I am in Valparaiso, Indiana today. I'm going to cross these railroad tracks. I think this is where I want to go. Yes, it is the way I want to go. I'm headed over to what is now Journeyman's, which started its life, actually the building itself started its life as actually something else. It's the former Alcoa windshield wiper factory that closed in the 1980s. It just became Journeyman's and opened sometime last year, I believe. I'll pull up in here. So, this is Journeyman's, and even before it was even Journeyman's or the Alcoa windshield wiper factory, you can see there's still remnants of it looking like the factory, but they did basically a restoration on it. Even before all that, it was this area would, guess this property or whatever, had companies on it would build like carriages for horses and stuff back in the 1800s. That's just I think some of the information I got on this building. But like I said, this was the Alcoa windshield wiper factory. It closed in the 1980s, somewhere around there. And now is the Journeyman's. You see, they still got the water tower up there and everything, so that's kind of cool. I just wanted to come past it. From what I understand, there's a restaurant and stuff inside there, and they of course they make alcohol and all that stuff, whiskey and all that. So, never been into Journeyman's. Not really much of a drinker, so I've not gone in there and don't have any intentions on going in there. I heard the food and stuff is quite expensive. I know somebody, I think he still works there, I'm not sure, but worked there, so that's the only reason I know he said the food is kind of expensive. So we're going to go back up this way. If I forgot to mention, I'm in Valparaiso, Indiana today. We're going to go back up this way. So that's on Campbell Street, and the only way to access it is through this road or this road. I don't know where the other people are coming from over that way. I think there's a way probably on 30 to get to it, but I'm not really sure. So, I think that's going to do it for this one. Until I talk to y'all next one, this is Crazy Cooter Scooter over and out.